Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Soyes S10 mini to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. I already did that on Soyes because it will take a lot of time, so I will open it right away. Now click I accept and choose confirm. Then click continue and tap allow. You want to go with receive on an Android and send on Soyes. Click at the dot next to file that you want to transfer, for example this song, and click send. From here you have two ways to connect. Click got it and input password or scan QR code. I will click input password and click receive. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out, you can go into, for example, further files. Click on, in my case, audio. And as you can see, my song is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!